come with us to Natural Tunnel. I hadn't planned on doing a voiceover, but I decided to, and so that's why you see me talking here. We're on the chairlift, getting ready to go down, and I was scared. Terrified, really. So here we go. We're going to the bottom of the mountain to show you guys the tunnel. And the reason why we call it Natural Tunnel is because there is a natural tunnel. And they built train tracks to go through it. And it's beautiful, especially this time of year. Right now they are servicing the train tracks though, so we weren't able to walk all the way back to the tunnel. Hopefully someday I can come back and show you guys a little bit more of the tunnel. The video does not do it justice at all. There's part of the train track. And then back there is the tunnel. It's a little hard to see from down here because I can't walk all the way back. And now we're gonna go back up. Here we go. Going up was not as scary as going down. There's little flowers growing on the side of the mountain. I had so much fun. Mike and I hardly get out on our own together by ourselves, so it was really nice. Almost to the middle of the mountain. And here we are at the top, and it's called Lover's Leap. And this is where you can look down on the tunnel. So pretty. Beautiful. We were down there at the bottom, and now we're at the top. There's a better view of the tunnel from up at the top. But look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I hope you guys have a great night.